So in tonight's video, I'm going to be using this stuff. That's right, it's liver. I know it's not everybody's taste, but it's certainly mine. Actually, I'm the only one that eats it in our house. I'm going to make liver and bacon and onions in a gravy with some mashed potato on the side. So keep watching and I'll be right back. So okay, let's show you the ingredients that we're going to use. Obviously, the star performer, the liver and the bacon. Then we've got some cooking oil, 1 red onion, some potatoes, some butter for cooking it, seasoning, we've got the salt there and the pepper there, we've got some stock, and we've got some flour. Plain or self-raising, doesn't matter. Okay, let's crack on. Now I can peel and cut these potatoes and get them on the boil for the mash. Peel and slice this onion for the gravy. Cut some of this bacon up into chunks. That should be enough. Now we can wash this liver in fresh, cold running water. And leave it to drain. Then we can cut this liver into slices. Then we can pat this dry with some kitchen paper, or as dry as we can get it anyway, don't want it too wet. Season with salt and cracked black pepper. Now we can add the liver to the flour. Make sure it's coated all the way over. Over to our frying pan, in with a drop of vegetable oil and some butter. Then we can put our bacon pieces in. Try and keep them separated if you can. In with our onion. Now we can remove this and just keep this to one side for a few moments, not for long. Then we can go back to the cooker, add a drop more oil, but not too much, and some more butter. And we could just stir that around, let that melt down. That should do nicely. Then we can go in with the liver. Can you see how it's nicely coated in the flour there? Nice little slices of liver. Plenty of seasoning. In with our stock. Then back in with the bacon and the onions. So there we have it, different bacon and mashed potato on the side, just there. Doesn't that look good? Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. A little bit of liver first. Oh, that tastes great. Now a piece of bacon, together with the onions and the gravy, and a little bit of mash. That is a proper meal, really substantial, I should think. I'm going to finish this off a bit later, and I most certainly will. Anyway, back to the video, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're going to try this for yourself. I do understand that a lot of people won't eat liver because it's awful, but it tastes awfully good to me. Oh. Anyway, thanks again, and any comments down below. I'll see you again next time. Bye folks.